In The Problem of Social Cost, Ronald Coase deals with the problem of externalities, or byproducts of economic actions that incur cost or benefits for uninvolved third parties. Coase finds two solutions to the problem of negative externalities. In the absence of transaction costs, parties may privately bargain to reach an economically efficient outcome. When transaction costs are present, the assignment of a legal right becomes key in ensuring that resources are allocated optimally. The first 5 sections of the problem of social cost discuss the resolution of externalities absent transaction costs. Coase's central conclusion here is that regardless of who is responsible for some negative externality, the involved parties may bargain to reach a result that maximizes the value of production. In this situation, the role of the court is to determine who has the legal right to do what. Such a determination is ultimately irrelevant when attempting to reach an optimal allocation of resources. To quote Coase, "The decision of the courts concerning liability for damages would be without effect on the allocation of resources." End quote. Rather, the assignment of legal right is important in that it allows the two involved parties to negotiate. The party lacking the right may purchase the right, given that the amount to be paid is less than the value of the right to the purchaser and exceeds the value of the right to the seller. In other words, the party that values the right more can, should, and does obtain it. In this way, an economically efficient outcome, one that maximizes the value of production, is always achieved. Of course, the assignment of the right matters to each party, one of whom must bear the cost of purchasing or lacking the right. However, the micro-level concerns are not relevant to Coase's broader analysis of economic efficiency and maximized production value. If transaction costs are present, however, the actions of the courts become far more important, insofar as they have an effect on economic outcomes. Given transaction costs, much negotiation is sufficiently costly to prevent many transactions. If high costs prohibit an efficient outcome through bargaining, then the initial assignment of rights by courts has a substantial impact on the total value of production. Coase argues that courts must take the economic implications of their decisions into account and seek an outcome that maximizes efficiency. In effect, this means assigning the legal right to the party that, financially speaking, values the right the most.